The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Let me tell you what verbs. Verbs are action words. Verbs are words with action. Verbs are action words. Verbs are words with action. For example, jump and skip and champ. Verbs are action words. Verbs are words with action. Hey, let me show you what real free. Regular verbs end with D-R-E-D. That Miss Williams teach me. Example, P-L-A-C-E-D. Irregular verb form a new word friend. Cock your ears and keep your eyes open. Let me give you a quick example. Choose, chosen. Verbs are action words.
Viewers and subscribers, me like this. Me like this. Me like the way how this person puts substance in a song. Me like the way how this person, how this person do something where, persons can learn from it. You see me I say? Yeah. Me like the way how it do. It's not the first someone do something like this, but me just like the idea, me like the pattern, me like the song. You see me I say? Anyway, this person there in the world, me want to say big up to this person. Yeah. Big up to him. You understand? Yeah, me like the way how this person do that song. You see me I say? Yeah, some education to the thing. You see me? Alright, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect. My name is Dancehall. I'm here again, you see it, and I have one more video I'm going to present to you, But before I present this video to you, viewers and subscribers, I want to give a shout out to DJ Benji. Yeah, I want to give a shout out to DJ Albert and also Derek. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I want to give a shout out to Valerie Hughes, you see me? And Maria, alright? Big up yourself. You see me I say? Yeah, now the video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show somewhat of an altercation between two persons, you see me? And according to some things that have been said in the video and according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that this video shows somewhat of an argument and altercation between a husband and a wife. You understand me? Viewers and subscribers, the confirmed information as to exactly where in the world this had happened, I don't have the confirmed information as to exactly where in the world this had happened. Now I do have the confirmed information as to exactly when this happened. But however, viewers and subscribers, you see me? By looking at this video and listening to some of the things said in this video, maybe you can tell me where you think it happened and so on, alright? Now this video is out on social media where some persons are saying that, hey, the female was wrong. Some persons are saying that the man who is said to be the husband was wrong and so on, see me? So I'm presenting this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. You see me? You can tell me who you think was wrong and so on, alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yes! Okay. When I'm coming, you're fucking, yeah! Good.
Yo, you flim me, partner.
Yeah, hand of respect.
That's the way you do. You flim me.
Let the woman alone.
I'm a wife that now.
Yeah, but
I'm a fucking
a
wife.
man does
Move your
kill a
fuck
couple.
wall. That's
Yeah,
good for
they
you.
got the fan video. So do say anything and who has gone to jail?
Let's go.
I am going to put
So what?
Let go my hand. You don't want my hand. Let go my hand.
Me do what?
Let go.
Yes. Carry a coat.
Let go my hand, Carl. Let go go. Let go go.
Let go me here.
Well, pick me up. Pick me up.
Let go me
Good.
here.
What advantage you want for?
You know, have respect for me. I'm not going in the car.
Go in the
You're
car,
right.
let's
You
go.
what?
He can't
You
force
love
it.
respect
He can't
me.
force it to go in the
You're gonna
car.
learn first. You're gonna learn for respect
Hey,
me.
make her bang your ass up now.
You're gonna learn for
Come, go
respect
give me a hand.
me.
Let go me here.
You're gonna learn for respect
Let go me
your
here.
wife.
will go right. This will go. This will go. This will go. This will go right
Let
on
go
Facebook now.
me here.
You're gonna better push me in the car.
Let go me here.
Do not push me. Okay.
Go in the car.
Let me go.
Go in the car.
All right, battery. Battery.
Let
Battery.
me go, Khan. Let me
Stop
go.
this.
Hey, call 911 for me.
God, Father, please.
Okay, let him back here. Let him back here. Let it go. You see me here?
Viewers and subscribers, listen to me very carefully. You see? It doesn't matter if you're married to someone or not. That's what I'm saying to you. If a person do not want you to touch them, do not touch them. You see me I say? I mean, not because you're married to someone, that doesn't mean that you own the person. You see me I say to you? Don't mean you own the person. You see me? Even when you're married to someone, you see me I say? If the person you're married to says, hey, I'm not doing this tonight, and if you force it on the person, you see me, you might be surprised that you can get in trouble with the law same way, even though you're married to the person, you see me. And I hope you understand what I mean when I say force it on the person. I don't really want to say the word out loud, you see me. Let's say I'm talking about humorous activities. You see what I'm saying to you? Yes, that's what I call it, humorous activities. The point is that even though you're married to a person, if the person say, hey, leave me alone, do not touch me, no, not tonight, you know that's a signal saying, hey, the person do not want to be in such a mood at the time, because maybe the person feel a certain way. So therefore, you know, my best advice for each and everyone out there, whether you're married to the person or not, if the person said no, no is no. If the person said don't touch them, don't touch them. That's how it is. You can talk to the person, you can reason with the person, or trying to communicate to the person to see if you can change the person's mind, but do not force anything on the person. You understand? No, I'm not saying this to disrespect anyone, you know. You see me, I say I'm just trying to give the best of advice I can, because you know that's how me roll. You know, me Dancehall skills. You see me, I say. Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, and you know, let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, let me know what you think about the video that shows the person singing the action word. You see me, let me know what you think about that video, and let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you that shows somewhat a physical altercation between two persons. And according to what had been said on social media, and according to some things that had been said in the video as well, it is said that this video shows somewhat of a physical altercation between two persons who are said to be husband and wife. You see me? Yeah, I saw the thing. Alright? I believe you contact Dancehall, just read the description down below the videos that I present to you. Yes, I said, yeah, and just choose an option how to contact Dancehall. Alright? So here's where I'm going to leave it now. Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Hey, I'm my name Dancehall, you know. You know, big up on yourself, you see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall, yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.